Two of the biggest names in smart home security. Ring versus Arlo. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ring. Affordable, full home security powered by Amazon. And on the right, Arlo. Premium, high-definition security cameras for detail lovers. Let's skip the usual hype and get right to the facts. We'll break down each category, award points, and reveal who truly comes out ahead. The winner in 2025 might just surprise you. Let me show you the roadmap for today. We're going to hit all the essentials: price and value, camera video quality, security and sensors, ecosystem and integration, battery life and installation, and storage options. Ready? Let's go category by category. Okay, starting off with price and value. So Ring, this is where it really shines. Like, honestly, you don't need to break the bank for solid security. Devices are way more affordable, plans are super wallet-friendly, and you don't have to commit to anything long-term. You even get a full unlimited plan for just $10 a month. Only catch? A lot of the juicy features need that cloud subscription. Now, Arlo. Yeah, it's kind of the fancy choice. The hardware feels super professional, and you can start small if you want. But here's the thing. You're dropping 2 or 3 times more cash up front, and the premium plans, they actually start at $13 for just 30 days of storage. A bunch of the cool features? You guessed it, locked behind a paywall. So, yeah, Ring definitely wins here on value. Next up, camera video quality. Ring's not bad. Most of their cams offer crystal clear 1080p HD, and some models even pack color night vision, which is pretty sweet. But just so you know, they're capped at 1080p, unless you're going for a fancy doorbell, and the night vision is mostly basic infrared. On the other hand, Arlo's cameras? Oh man, they punch up to full 4K HDR, color night vision, these wild wide angles, and you can zoom in up to 12 times. Plus, they actually hold up in gnarly weather. The downside? Yeah, price again. And those next level modes. Yep, paywall. But between the two, Arlo absolutely takes the win for video quality. All right, let's talk security and sensors. Ring, this is classic whole home defense. We're talking entry sensors, window sensors, motion, even environmental sensors. And the Z-Wave hub means you can automate pretty much everything. Downside is no local video storage, and the AI stuff is kind of basic. Now, Arlo is like the brainy camera crew. It's all about smart detection, motion, people, faces, and hooks into smart things for cool automations. But honestly, it's all cameras. No door or environmental sensors. So if you want that full home coverage, Arlo's a bit thin here. So Ring takes the edge in actual security and sensor variety. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Arlo's Ultra 2 cam can zoom in 12x and actually read license plates at night? It's almost spy movie level. Just a little fun fact for your next street stakeout. Moving on to ecosystem and integration. Ring is deep, deep into Amazon land. Alexa, Echo, Fire, you name it. Everything just works together, like magic. Though, if you want third-party stuff outside of Amazon, it's not great. Arlo, meanwhile, is the king of platforms. SmartThings, Google Home, pretty much every major player is in on this. The catch is, sometimes you need an extra hub, and it's slightly less plug-and-play if you're on Amazon gear. Honestly, on integration, it's a tie. Depends on whose smart home world you're living in. All right, battery life and installation. Ring makes it super easy for DIY folks, and their batteries last a solid 6 months on their outdoor cams. No magnetic mounts, and you still need the cloud for storage, but setup's a breeze. Arlo pushes battery life up even further, does the awesome magnetic mounting thing, and you get local storage too, like with an SD card. Only thing is, the install can be a little trickier, and most cool accessories, you buy those extra. Still, Arlo gets the win here for battery and installation flexibility. And last, storage options. So Ring is cloud, and only cloud. If you want features like video history, yeah, you gotta pay up. No local storage at all. Arlo is way more generous. You get both cloud and local with micro SD or base station options, plus some free cloud thrown in on certain cams. SD card isn't included though, and again, the best cloud features need a subscription. But still, Arlo is the clear champ for storage choices. So if you're a visual person, check out this radar chart. You can see how Ring and Arlo stack up on every category. Price and sensors, Ring's the boss. Camera quality, battery life, storage, Arlo's got it locked down. You know what? Picking isn't easy, but here's my take. If you're all about that high-end picture, crazy smart camera features, and local storage, go Arlo. But if you want something affordable, genuinely covers your whole house, and slots right into your Amazon gear, Ring's the practical winner. All right, that's it from me. If this helped you finally decide, let me know how you use your home security. Are you Team Ring or Team Arlo? Hit follow for more smart tech head-to-heads. See you next time.